I'm a student physical therapist assistant, and today I will be administering the dynamic gait index test. This test is used to determine whether the patient is at risk for falls. So my patient Heather here, I'm going to be giving you this test, and I'll be instructing you on each portion of the test. There are 8 different steps. The first one is to walk at your normal speed from here to the mark there, which is 20 feet. And you'll just go ahead and walk normally. Okay. And go ahead. So Heather walked at a normal pace with no assisted device at a good speed. There was no evidence for imbalance, and it was a normal gait pattern, so she will receive a 3. So this time, Heather, I'll have you walk at your normal speed, and when I say go, you'll walk as fast as you can, and then when I say slow, walk as slowly as you can. Okay? Go ahead and begin. Go. And slow. So Heather was able to smoothly change walking speeds without loss of balance or gait deviation. So she will earn a 3. Okay, so this next step we'll have you walking straight, but I'm going to have you look right when I tell you look right. And then you'll look left when I tell you look left. And then keep walking straight the whole time. Okay, and go ahead. And look right. And look left. And straight ahead. So Heather was able to perform head turns smoothly with no change in gait. So she will earn a 3. Next portion, I will have you walking at your normal speed, and when I tell you to look up, and when I tell you to look down, and keep walking straight the whole time. Okay, and begin. Look up, and look down, and look straight. So she was able to perform head turns smoothly with no change in gait, so she will receive a 3. So I will have you begin walking at a normal speed, and when you come to the shoebox, go ahead and step over it and not around it, and keep walking straight. And begin. Heather was able to step over the box without changing gait speed, and there was no evidence of imbalance. So she will receive a 3. This next part of the test, she will step around some obstacles. So Heather, I'm going to have you begin walking at a normal speed, and when you come to the first cone, walk around the right side of it. And when you come to the second cone, walk around the left side of it, and continue walking. Okay, and begin. Heather was able to walk around the cone safely without changing gait speed, and there was no evidence of imbalance. So she will receive a 3. This next part of the test, I'm going to have you begin walking at a normal pace, and when I tell you turn and stop, turn as quickly as you can to face the opposite direction and stop. Okay, and begin. Turn and stop. So Heather was able to pivot turn safely within 3 seconds and stopped quickly with no loss of balance. So she will earn a 3 for that one. The last portion of this test, Heather, I'm going to have you walk up these stairs as you would walk at home, using the railing if necessary. at the top, turn around and walk down. Begin. So Heather was able to walk up the stairs with alternating feet, and she used no rail, so she will receive a 3. And so her total score is 24 out of 24, which means that she is not at risk for a fall. Thank you, Heather.